Hello. Today we'll be discussing the proper installation techniques of polymeric sand, more specifically Gator Super Sand. We'll be covering the do's and don'ts of a job well done. Remember, do it right, avoid callbacks, save time and money, and get referrals. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the Gator Super Sand, an ideal product for any residential application. Remember, the installation of the sand is the final step of your project before you get paid and the framework for a job well done. Gator Super Sand can only be installed on a dry surface, free from any moisture, dampness, or morning dew. As well, let's make sure there's no rain in the forecast for at least an hour after installation and the temperature is above 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, let's make sure that all of the crew members are trained on proper installation techniques for the sand. Again, this is the final process of your well-done job. Could you please stop the tape and bring me to the segment showing the tools needed for a proper installation, which will save you time and money? Great. What tools do we need? Well, first, let's make sure that we read the instructions off of the Gator Super Sand bag. As well, safety first. Let's make sure all crew members have masks and goggles. So what tools do we need? Well, we'll need a watering hose and adjustable nozzle. We'll also need a couple of brooms. We'll need a hard bristle broom for the initial sand sweeping into the joints, and the final sweeping, we'll need a soft bristle broom. We'll also need a plate compactor. You'll need at least 3,500 pounds of centrifugal force for an existing job, and 4,000 to 5,000 pounds of centrifugal force for a new job. And let's not forget, we'll need a protective pad under our compactor. We'll also need a blower to blow away any remaining residue. Gator Super Sand is the final step in a perfect installation. So now that we've covered the tools needed for a good job, let's talk about the installation. We'll cover it in 3 easy steps. Could you cue up the tape, please? When emptying the bags of Gator Super Sand, let's make sure not to make too big of piles in an area. We want to be sure that we have consistent gradation within the sand. Open the bags and spread as you go. Could you move the tape forward, please? Let's continue with the installation process. First, we'll use our hard bristle broom to do the initial sweep of the sand into the joints. Next, our plate compactor will be used to vibrate the sand down into the joints. Then we'll use our fine bristle broom to sweep away any remaining sand on the job. And let's make sure that we leave at least an 1/8 inch reveal between the top of the paver and the top of the sand. Finally, we'll use our blower to blow away any sand or remaining residue on the job. Remember, the sweeping and the blowing process are critical to help alleviate any hazing in the future. Alliance Designer Products is the only manufacturer in the industry to offer a 10-year limited warranty. Let's do it once, do it right, and avoid callbacks. Let's move on to the watering process and the activation of the polymers. First, set your water gun to the mist setting and at a height of 4 feet mist. Wait no longer than 3 to 4 minutes. Remember, don't do too big of an area at a time. On a hot day, it will dry up and be ineffective. Next, at a height of 2 to 4 feet, mist and rinse. Again, wait no longer than 3 to 4 minutes. Third, we will mist and rinse again simultaneously, and once we see the buildup of white foam or polymers or any puddling on the pavers, we'll stop. Now we'll use our blower to blow away any remaining residue or water that may have residue in it. This will help ensure no hazing on the job. Remember, do it once, do it right, avoid callbacks, save time and money, and get referrals. Finally, by following these Alliance installation techniques, you will be assured your customers' approval. For further information, please see us on the web at alliancegator.com or see further instructional videos at Alliance Gator YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.